So guys, for the first method, you want to disable all your extensions that you're using. So in the top right, you want to click on the three dots and then click on extensions and then click on manage extensions. And now you want to disable your extensions. See if that works for you. For the second method, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. For the third method, you want to click on the three dots again and then click on history and then click on history again. Now you want to select delete browsing data. Make the time range all time and you want to select cookies and cache. You can unselect everything else if you want to, but make sure that you select both cookies and cache and that you have this to all time and then click on delete from this device. For the next method, you want to click on the three dots and then you want to go to settings. And now once we're here, you want to click on about Chrome if that's what you're using, or just about your web browser. Make sure that it's fully up to date. Now you want to click on reset settings and then click on restore settings to their original defaults. And then click on reset settings. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter, double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure that you have obtain the IP address automatically selected. And now under it, you want to select obtain DNS server address automatically as well. So you want to keep this on the default options and then click on OK. And now you want to scroll down, double click on Internet Protocol version 6, and then do the same thing, the default settings like how it is on my screen. You want to obtain both the IP address and DNS server address automatically, and then click on OK. See if that works. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS and then click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset and then click on enter again. Now you want to restart your computer and then hopefully this will fix your problem.